is News 12 The Bronx, as local news gets.
More than a dozen kids from across the Bronx received the gift of hearing, all for free. News 12's Amy Cutler has a story from the Children's Hospital at Montefiore that you'll only hear on News 12.
Kevan Shaw has struggled to hear his entire life.
I have either a little bit more volume, and the big thing is clarity. They're missing the clarity of sounds.
The 5-year-old's world became a lot clearer Saturday.
Things might be a little bit loud.
With the help of this hearing aid.
Very easy to use. They have very simple switches, and they really provide phenomenal sound with very easy use.
Shaw was one of 20 people with moderate to severe hearing loss to receive the free devices at Montefiore Hospital. Are you excited, nervous? Between the hearing aid, the adjustment, and the follow-up care, organizers estimate each patient is getting about $5,000 worth of free services.
Excellent. That's excellent.
The patients selected by Montefiore doctors are the first to get them for free at the hospital through a joint nonprofit partnership. Organizers said they did it
To help individuals obtain hearing aids that otherwise wouldn't have the funds to be able to afford them.
Usually it becomes a self-esteem issue, being the struggle of understanding what people are saying all around you.
Fortunately for Kevan, it's a struggle he'll no longer have to endure.
A better way of living for my son, so he could be up with everybody else in his class.
Reporting from the Children's Hospital at Montefiore, Amy Cutler, News 12, The Bronx.
The program is a partnership between the Foundation for Sight and Sound and McGuire's Hearing and Audiological Services. For more information, you can log on to our website. That's news12.com. Just click on numbers and links.